Buddy. Buddy! You ready to do this or what?
Yeah, I'm ready to get on.
Oh my god, there's roaches!
All right, come on, dude. Help me get this thing out. Come on.
It's on a hose, dude.
Yeah, it should. Is it good?
No, it's like... It's like...
the cow.
No, oh my god.
Get the fuck.
Oh my god. No, it's like zip tied and... Oh my god, it's bolted down.
All right.
Yep, can't. Just...
How about, can you undo it on the bilge pump?
Just set it onto the ground.
Hose.
Just set it on the ground.
Hose.
I know,
Cut
but
the
it's...
whole thing out of the bow.
I know, but just set it onto the side real quick. We need good wire cutters, buddy.
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 Wait, do we need Carolyn here to hold the camera all day?
Yeah. Getting paid $3.99.
Hey, wheel the boat in here.
What? All right, come on, guys. We actually got to do something today. Look at his feet. Look at his foot set up. I'm not gonna lie, there's some antiqueness coming around here. Look at the trolling motor, the Pelican. You ever seen something like this?
Look at the lower unit on that thing.
I don't think it's giant. I'm looking at this thing. What year is this?
10 horse Merc.
What year do you think this is? Oh my god, hold on, guy. It would say right here on this plate.
Does it say?
I don't know. I don't know.
I think it might be all self-contained, like you throw it on and go, like there are tanks on it. That's awesome.
It's pretty lit. Little change in plans with the boat in here. Because he said it was nice out, but it was getting a little hot. Okay? You hear me? Hot! Hot! God. Crazy. Okay. Okay, my friend.
Rod.
No, just keep pulling. I can't get it out all the way.
Is that tight?
The whole motor's about to give. Oh, yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah, yeah. Pull this. Pull the rod. Wait, hold on. Stop for a second.
Yeah, just get it way up.
Wait. Got it? Is it out yet?
Yeah, out.
$20 minutes! Alright. What motor's going on this, buddy?
115 Suzuki Repower! We cannot get this thing greasy.
You think? As he sits on it. Look, this lower unit's just puking.
What? No, it's puking shit in here? Oh my god.
Ooh, that's good for it. God, that's a good Daihatsu. Okay, minor update on the wiring problem. Or wiring situation. We got controls out, motors hanging.
Where's the cutters? Cut it.
Right here.
Cut it.
Move your leg like that. I don't want to. It's a little weird. Whoa, you guys just got a good toe shot. Hold on. All right, guy. Yeah, all that's got to come out, guy. All of it.
Well, I'm trying to figure out.
All right, well.
Oh shit! I got shit going to gate. Oh.
All right, this is going. Bye-bye. What?
He has the fucking Lowrance rigged up into the freaking harness of the engine, spliced in.
Little FYI, this is why if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it at all. mean, what is really going on? This is to his freaking bottom finders, Lowrance. Not even, oh yeah, just not even heat shrunk, nothing. Look at this. No good. What?
Oh, everything on this boat. Oh, I need some ground. Yeah, we'll just splice it in with 5 butt connectors. Look, and I got a red one in here. Yeah, we'll just splice it in. 2 in 1, 2 in 1. Yeah, wrong. Wrong.
Wow. No, it's quality, dude. This is how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, just 100.
No, it's how it's supposed to be.
I'm sure.
Look at this. I mean, look. What a disaster. Disaster. Lunchtime. What? Lunchtime. Oh my God, my glasses. Oh my God, one. It's a good one. Glasses. Ooh, a good water. Good drink of water. Buddy, what the? Them junk glasses. Shut it. He's gonna have a hard time. Dennis! Come on. Buddy. Buddy. Very walk. God dang it. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. We're having a serious issue with this rigging department. Now I'm to a point where we're pulling everything out just to get the main harness in. And you can see that the console's a little off. There's roaches crawling around. I mean, this is nasty. Bad. That battery cable almost off, guy?
Yeah, I got it off. Pretty good.
Oh, beg my pardon. Slap full of water. Slap full. Alright. Completely depinned the main harness because it still wasn't going through the rigging tube. About over it. We started at what, 11 o'clock?
Yeah.
Motor's off.
5:30.
Motor's off in 20 minutes. Now, what, 5:30? And harness isn't even in the boat yet.
Looking at me wrong.
I'm not looking at you.
I can hear you.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you're right in front of the fucking ice maker recording me. Fuck. From behind me?
You alright?
No! Ah!
Dude, look at the ants crawling up the wall into the glass.
What glass?
The window.
Oh, yeah. Alright, dude, leave me alone.
What's wrong?
I'm shitting my brains.
No.
Yeah. Holy shit, dude, I moved the whole fucking toilet rocks. Hey, man, quit. Swear to God. I turned around this fan.
No.
It blows me. It blows off me. This fan over here. Oh my God, dude, this is a new thing.
What?
Having the fan on you when you're pooping is off the charts. Alright, I can see you. Quit. Come on, dude. Fuck you. Dude, I swear to God. I'm about to throw some fucking PP at ya. Yeah. I don't know. God
I what?
You hit me right on the fucking head.
No, I
I
didn't.
swear to God, you doped me right in the fucking head. God, dude, you're gonna leave a mark. All right, I'm wiping my ass and standing up.
Good. I'm getting tape off the bottom of my shoe.
All right. Oh my God, dude, it's blowing shit out my butt cheeks. Man,
Buddy.
buddy. Hey, I swear to God, dude, I'm about to fucking lose it. I'm gonna wipe my ass.
Oh! What was that?
The TP I just threw up.
No.
All right, can you
All right. Repinned 100%. And we're all the way through. Now we gotta chase through battery cables, the Lowrance wire, 2 steering cables. I'm choked. Choked. All right, day number 2. Like 2-3 days later, got the draft shawl drawn out, the throttle drawn out, and the key plate drawn out for the dash. Starboard was like $84 or something ridiculous. We're gonna try to line this motor up now. I'm having a strange feeling. The mounting, not the same.
A lot of outboards go skinnier towards the bottom.
I know, but
Maybe
I was looking at the other motor. Looks a little different, but we're gonna get these cut out. We're gonna go hang the motor here in a minute, and I think that's it. We need to put the console back down and leave that for a little bit later. But we still got to run all these wires and the what's it called? Throttle. Shift cables, which I don't know if you can tell, but it makes a good sharp 90 all of a sudden. So to fit you can see the old ones pulling out got bent. So to shove that through a 90, I'm not really sure how it's gonna happen, but we're gonna figure it out, I guess.